Looking for the best outdoor security cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Arlo Pro 5. The best outdoor security camera system overall. Meet the Arlo Pro 5, the ultimate outdoor security camera system. This device delivers crystal clear footage both day and night, making it a top choice for anyone serious about home security. Its speedy load times for the live feed ensure you stay connected, allowing for quick monitoring of your property. A 160 degrees field of view provides a broad perspective so you don't miss any action. Recordings come in stunning 2K resolution with HDR, ensuring that light sources won't ruin your visuals. Choose between color night vision and spotlight modes to illuminate scenes effectively. Two-way audio feels clear and responsive, making communication easy. Plus, you can rely on the built-in siren to deter intruders. Over extensive testing, I noticed occasional lag in the live feed. However, firmware upgrades usually resolve the matter, ensuring consistent performance overall. An intuitive app allows you to swiftly manage notifications which filter motion alerts by people, animals, vehicles, and packages. Receiving animated previews and clear screenshots makes monitoring your home effortless, even on a smartwatch. Keep in mind that to fully utilize these features, you'll need an Arlo Secure plan. While the claim of up to 8 months of battery life seemed optimistic, my experience showed a need for recharging after 4 months of moderate use. Despite this, you'll find that the Arlo Pro 5 outperforms many competitors. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best outdoor security camera systems. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which outdoor security camera system you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Number 2. TPLink Topo Wirefree Mag Cam. The best runner-up outdoor security camera system. Need an affordable outdoor security solution? Meet the TPLink Topo Wirefree Mag Cam. This camera shines as the best runner-up outdoor security camera system, offering impressive features without breaking the bank. You'll appreciate the 150 degrees field of view. Capture more of your surroundings and monitor wide areas all at once. The ability to record video in 2K at 30 frames per second provides sharp images. While it may not fully compete with top-tier models, it gets very close considering the cost. Battery life stands out, needing a charge only every 3 months. This allows for hassle-free monitoring. A magnetic base makes installation a breeze. You can reposition it quickly when necessary. Built-in night vision enhances viewing in low light. While color night vision may lack depth, black and white clarity holds up well. Enjoy using the Topo app, which offers various smart features. Motion categorization helps you filter alerts efficiently. You can create activity zones tailored to your needs, enhancing overall security. Notifications arrive promptly, ensuring you never miss an important event. On the flip side, higher quality footage can impact battery performance. Communication via two-way audio serves its purpose, but doesn't wow. Despite this, these minor tweaks won't deter a wise buyer. What I love most about the TP-Link Topo Wirefree Mag Cam is its balance of affordability and functionality. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 3. Yui SoloCam S340. The best solar charging outdoor security camera system. Meet the Yui SoloCam S340, your ultimate partner in outdoor security. This solar-powered camera stands out in the crowded market of smart surveillance. Combining convenience with high-quality performance, you'll love the built-in solar panel that eliminates the hassle of frequent recharging. Motorized pan and tilt features let you enjoy 360 degrees horizontal and 70 degrees vertical movement. As a result, you can easily track any motion that piques your interest. With two cameras, one 3K wide angle and another 2K telephoto, you gain flexibility in capturing sharp, detailed footage. While simultaneous recording from both leads to some compression, the solo recordings shine in quality. Nighttime security becomes a breeze with both black and white infrared and vivid color night vision options. Each offers unique advantages, letting you choose based on your needs. As for installation, you have simple wall or ceiling mounting options, making setup quick and easy. Connecting to Wi-Fi or a compatible Yui home base adds centralized storage and enhances facial recognition capabilities. I enjoyed the ease of keeping this camera charged via its solar functionality in sunny spots. In terms of drawbacks, some users may find that the camera struggles in low-light environments, but this is a common issue in many outdoor cameras. The Yui SoloCam S340 impressively balances advanced features and uncomplicated operation. Number 4. Wise Campan V3. The best value outdoor security camera system. Need a smart security solution? Check out the Wise Campan V3. This third-generation camera balances features and affordability perfectly. One standout quality is its ability to pan and tilt. You can move it 360 degrees horizontally and 180 degrees vertically. Using your phone's trackpad, you can easily follow any action. This flexibility goes a long way toward keeping your home secure. You won't miss a thing with this camera in action. Versatility is another big plus. It fits seamlessly into any home interior. Its compact and understated design means it won't take away from your decor. You can keep an eye on your space without disrupting the vibe. When you want to relax, activate the privacy mode. With this feature, you can point the camera straight down and disable the microphone. This provides extra peace of mind while you enjoy your home. However, not all features meet high-end expectations. Some may find it lacks advanced options available in pricier models. Yet, this trade-off is acceptable when considering the impressive value offered. What impresses me most is how this camera balances functionality with ease of use. You can control it effortlessly from your smartphone, making monitoring simple and effective. If you want a reliable, well-rounded security option, the Wise Campan V3 stands out. Still searching for the perfect outdoor security camera system? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.